Replacement of gasket-type insulating joint. Welding of pieces carried at both ends. Radiographic inspection has been carried for weld joints. Installation of header for hydrotesting at both ends. Hydrotesting has been carried at 70 kg per square centimeter for 4 hours. Taking shutdown of Goradad Surendranagar mainline section. Excavation carried near HOV-21 for installation of TOR, thread O-ring. TOR has been installed at 6 o'clock position of HOV-21 downstream side and upstream and downstream of insulating joint. Crude oil draining has been carried from these TOR locations. Extracted by Masru and dumped in OWS pit for further insertion in pipeline. AFFF and water insertion in IJ replacement section done through scrapper receiving barrel mainline drain valve which was connected with firefighting line. Water flushing has been carried and water removed from TOR locations. Locking of pipeline has been carried to restrict degree of freedom. Cold cutting of pipeline has been carried in upstream and downstream of insulating joint. Foam pig along with mud plugging has been carried. TRU have been turned off of both pipeline to depolarize the magnetization before 72 hours of welding. Cutting of monolithic insulating joint pipe section for adjustment as per cold cutting location. Alignment of monolithic insulating joint section, followed by welding and RT of welding joint. Fully opening of HOV of old repeater. Opening of MOV2, scrapper receiving barrel mainline valve. Partial opening of HOV21. Air venting followed by foam pig received in barrel. Closing of MOV2 and retrieval of foam pig. Closing of HOV21. CAD welding has been carried for installation of surge diverter in upstream and downstream of monolithic insulating joint. Megger test of insulation joint has been carried and pipeline has been commissioned. Thank you. From Western Region Pipelines. Committed to the vision of Indian Oil. The energy of India.